In this video, get hands-on action steps that you can do right now to cleanse using 3 of the most powerful of those detox pathways. Hey gut feeler friends, so here we are, how to detox your body safely and naturally in under 10 minutes per day. Honestly, I'm so proud that you are here and that you want to take care of your body. Now, your body has 5 different detox pathways. Those are your body's options to get toxins out of your body. If you're brave enough to stick with me until the end, I'm going to give you my number one best cleansing food that you can get in any supermarket or grocery store, and I show you how to include that in your daily detox plan. Let's get started. Number 1 of the 3 action steps for cleansing your body from toxins starts immediately after you get up. The morning is the best time to bring toxins out of your body. You want to start with hydration, and not just drinking plain water, but lemon water. So half a liter or 16 ounces of warm, high quality water with 1 lemon squeezed into it and drinking immediately after you wake up. Lemon water does not only deeply hydrate your cells, but it also massages one of your best friends when it comes to detoxing, your liver. Sits in your upper right rib cage, 1.5 kilos heavy, 3 pounds. And by massaging your liver, you bring out the toxins because the liver stores up the most toxins, and we're kind of massaging it gently in the morning to speed up your cleansing process. Rinse and repeat action step number 1, using detox pathway. Your liver is drinking half a liter of warm lemon water with 1 lemon squeezed in every day. Action step 2 out of 3 is working and moving your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is like a waste dump. It's a passive system, which means that it's not like blood, which just gets pumped, 24/7 and you don't need to do anything. Your lymphatic system needs movement to get into action. Action step number 2 is after waking up and you drunk your lemon water, you want to get moving. The best thing to do is rebounding, which is basically on a trampoline. If you have a mini trampoline, just hopping up and down on that trampoline. You don't have to get sweaty or anything. Even gentle movement already gets your lymphatic system going. If you don't know what rebounding is, I'll link you a resource video with a link to also purchase a rebounder down below in the description. If you want to just get started right now, you can also simply move up and down for about 5 minutes to start with. You can increase this to 20 minutes. And if for whatever reason you can't do the rebounding, doing a simple brisk walk around the block of your house for 5 minutes, 10 minutes will help to get that detox pathway from the lymphatic system moving. Action step number 3, before we come to my favorite cleansing food in the end, is probably the most enjoyable one, the most gentle one, and it's done in the evening before you go to bed. It also will help you to sleep better, and that is doing a foot bath, or you can also do a full body bath if you have a bathtub, with Epsom salt or normal sea salt. Please do not use table salt, which is iodized, which is not good for your body. With this action steps, we're using your largest detox organ, which is your skin. Sea salt or Epsom salt is great for alkalizing your body and through osmosis drawing out toxin naturally for your feet or for your whole body if you do a full body bath. Rinse and repeat before we come to my favorite cleansing food that you can eat every day. After waking up, half a liter, 16 ounces of warm lemon water, then doing some movement for the lymphatic system, jumping up and down, rebounding, taking a brisk walk, and third, in the evening, using the detox pathway of your skin to draw out toxin with Epsom salt or sea salt with a foot bath or full body bath. You ready for the bonus tip? My favorite cleansing food to detoxing your body, and it's very gently and available almost every farmer's market and grocery store. And this food is so great, not just because it's affordable, but also because it supports all the 5 detox pathways, which are your lungs, your liver, your skin, your kidneys, and your colon. It gives you deep hydration, which helps with eliminating toxins, makes your skin glow, and eases the burden in your lymphatic system. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this green power fruit, which is cucumber. You want to eat 1 to 2 cucumbers either as a salad, or you can juice them with peel, or you can just eat them as they are, as a powerful and gentle detox food. If you want to learn more about detoxing and avoid the most commonly made detox mistakes, watch this video now where you get all the information for free. Start gently and naturally cleanse your body.